Welcome to the Lantern Light AI Newscast number 13. Big Minds Chasing Bigger Breakthroughs. Made by Chris Morley of Lantern Light AI with Love and AI Magic, in Boston, on Friday, April 24, 2026 at 4:25 a.m. UTC. Nvidia is feeling the heat as Chinese tech giants open their wallets wide, while NASA is wowing us with fresh eyes on the cosmos and quantum communication edges closer to linking satellites in orbit. On the health front, the Shingles vaccine may actually slow how fast you age. Immunotherapy is delivering stunning results against late-stage cancers, and scientists are still wrestling with one of the oldest questions of all: how consciousness works and where it came from. First up, AI hardware chip design news from around the world. Chinese technology companies Alibaba, Tencent, and ByteDance placed orders worth $16 billion for Nvidia AI chips, putting the chipmaker in a complicated position as it navigates export restrictions and geopolitical pressures. The scale of demand from Chinese firms highlights how critical advanced semiconductors remain to global AI development. At the same time, analysts noted in 2025 that companies do not always need the most expensive AI acceleration hardware to achieve strong results, a finding that could reshape how businesses plan their chip spending in the years ahead. Next, a major story from the world of research. NASA announced stunning new observations last week, according to reporting from The Telegraph, though full technical details have not yet been widely released. The announcement adds to a series of recent developments across the space and technology sectors that researchers and observers have been following closely. NASA has not yet issued a full public briefing on the findings, so the scope and significance of the observations remain to be confirmed. Scientists and space agencies worldwide are expected to provide further commentary as more information becomes available. Now, a top science and technology headline. A large national study of more than 3,800 Americans aged 70 and older found that those who received the Shingles vaccine showed signs of slower biological aging and reduced inflammation compared to those who did not. The research, published within the past 2 months, suggests the vaccine may offer benefits well beyond preventing the painful skin condition it was designed to target. Separately, scientists studying diabetes drugs found that SGLT2 inhibitors were associated with increased telomere length, a cellular marker of aging, raising hopes that common metabolic medications could one day serve as longevity tools. Researchers are now calling for head-to-head trials comparing SGLT2 inhibitors and GLP-1 drugs to determine which offers stronger anti-aging effects. Coming up, the latest in consciousness philosophy of mind. Researchers studying the origins of consciousness have proposed that it evolved in stages, beginning with basic survival responses such as pain and alarm, before expanding into focused awareness and eventually self-reflection, according to findings published by Science Daily. The debate has grown wide enough to draw in physicists, with Nobel laureate Brian Josephson arguing that consciousness is a feature of the universe that science cannot afford to ignore. Some theorists have gone further still, entertaining the idea that mind-like properties may not be exclusive to animal brains at all. The field remains deeply contested, with no single explanation yet commanding broad scientific agreement. After that, one more story from the lab and the field. A European and Canadian research collaboration is developing technology to fire quantum-coded messages across continents using satellites, under a project called Hyperspace. Separately, scientists announced a breakthrough device that entangles light and electrons at room temperature, without the need for supercooling, a step that could make quantum technology far more practical for cryptography and computing. The United Kingdom also announced a joint funding initiative with Canada to advance quantum communication over land and in space, alongside the launch of a new National Metrology Institute for Quantum Research at the UK National Physical Laboratory. Researchers say theoretical advances in generating quantum states could also improve Earth magnetic field mapping and astrophysical research. And finally, cancer cures, immunotherapy precision oncology from the wider world. A landmark study has shown that immunotherapy cured late-stage breast cancer in what researchers are calling a world first, with the treatment training a patient's own immune cells to recognize and attack tumors that had spread to other parts of the body. In a separate bowel cancer clinical trial, a 33-month follow-up found that none of the treated patients experienced a return of their cancer. Meanwhile, researchers at MD Anderson Cancer Center developed an AI-driven multi-agent system designed to guide first-line immunotherapy decisions for non-small cell lung cancer. Oncology professor Peter Johnson said the findings confirm that even widely spread cancers may be treatable if the immune response can be stimulated in the right way.
Today's program is brought to you by Lantern Light AI. Please note that Chris Morley is a seasoned software architect currently available for inquiries seeking help using AI to build, run and maintain modern web applications, cloud systems, databases, streaming data pipelines, search engines, interactive 3D graphics as well as other high-performance software services at scale. If the avatar or the newscast format interests you and you would like to see something like this customized for your business use case, please email Chris Morley at chris.morley@lanternlight.ai. If you enjoyed this, like, subscribe and share with your friends. More science, tech and AI news coming soon. Hit like, subscribe and tell your friends. Thanks for watching.